Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Rohit. So friends, in today's video, we are going to unbox and review JBL C200SI in-ear wired headphones. If you are looking for budget headphones under 1000 rupees, then this video will be helpful for you. So watch till the end and let's get started. So this is the JBL C200SI wired in-ear headphones. I purchased this on Amazon. Price of these headphones is around 850 to 900 rupees. JBL by Harman. Here they have mentioned about some technical specs and the accessories they have provided with headphones. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. They have given user manual, basically warranty cards and safety notes. This is in different languages. Okay, no problem. We are not going to read this. So let's put it aside. These are pair of ear tips. Basically, these are in 3 different sizes. One is attached to headphones and 2 are inside this bag. 3 pair of ear tips are in different sizes. You can use one of them which is most comfortable for you. So this is the overall packaging. These are the actual headphones. This one is right one and this one is left one. Let me show you physical overview of these headphones. These headphones come with JBL branding on the top. This is 1.2 meter long cable, so you can use it comfortably, but this cable is not tangle free, so you have got to be careful while using it harshly. This cable is 1.2 meter long, so it can easily reach your pocket. You can use it comfortably while doing exercise or while running. These headphones are made out of plastic with shiny finishing on it. Gives you nice feeling, but the cable doesn't feel that much of premium, but overall quality of the cable is good. These earphones are lightweight. Weight of these earphones is 16 grams. They have given here microphone with a dedicated play and pause button. Here is also the branding of JBL. This is wire adjuster, with the help of which you can adjust the length. This is 3.5 mm gold plated plug, mostly suitable for 3.5 mm jack. This is JBL branding on it. These headphones are available in 3 different colors: blue, gunmetal and ice grey with premium metallic finish. These headphones come with 1 year manufacturer warranty. Okay, let's talk about technical specs. These headphones come with soft earplugs and an angled fit which makes the earphones more comfortable to be worn for longer hours. Let's see audio quality of the microphone. The audio is recorded with the help of this microphone, so you decide whether it is clear or not. And they have given here dedicated play and pause button with microphone. One button universal remote with noise isolation microphone enables you to answer and manage your phone calls effortlessly and without any hindrance. If you press this button once, you can pause music. If you press this twice, you can change music, and if you press this for longer, you can activate Google Assistant. 3.5mm jack comes with gold plating, provide and improve lossless connectivity and better data transfer. These headphones come with 9mm dynamic driver, gives you real experience of JBL signature sound. Sound quality of these earphones is actually amazing. It gives you nice experience of punchy bass, and vocals are very clear as compared to other earphones in this range. So overall, this is best deal. So if you are looking for budget headphones under 1000 rupees, then this will be the best choice for you. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how do you feel about it. And share this video with your friends, subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching.